Hello everyone, welcome to Inner Life 101. In this video, we're back with Nature Boy again. Of course, he is dominating my channel because he is just a constant misfit. Anyways, guys, this time he was talking about, on Bigo, talking about Velvet. And apparently he has been in contact with Velvet and begging and apologizing. And he was saying basically that he know he did wrong. He's come to the conclusion that he has, that Velvet was really trying to help him. She was being his helpmate. He ignored it all. He was being, his ego was in the way. He was, he's just stubborn because that's who he is. And he's been hurt. And he's been, just don't want anybody to hurt him or anything. So he just want to control everything and la, 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 la. And this is what he does, when he, trying to get her back. And so now he decided again, well, he's just going to be monogamous again. He's saying that polygamy, it has messed up everything for him. So, and I'm sure somebody else got that part of the video, but I kept running out of memory, so I couldn't get all of the live. So I finally decided to delete some things and go ahead and get some of it. So what you're gonna see in this part of the video is that in the video that I got is that he's considering Velvet's offer. And I don't think it was an offer. What it was is that, he was pressuring her, trying to make, telling her about this is my daughter and all this other stuff. I want to get my daughter and this and that. So he's talking about, how to, he's trying to convince her. So finally, to end the conversation or whatever, she tells him, well, you got to call my dad. You got to talk to my dad. So that's where he is in this video. He's trying to figure out how he can call her dad, or how he was trying to DM him and look like he might be blocked or something from from Pops. So anyways, let's go into it from here. Nature Boy trying to call Velvet's father, Pops.
Yeah, but this phone sucks. Somebody bring another phone. This phone is dying.
Velvet told him he had to talk to her father.
Yeah, I would just call instead of a text.
You said you would call?
Yeah, I would just call. Straight to the point.
What would you say?
I would just be like, all right, well, you talked to him before, though, right? So you know his, like you said, you feel the temperature. You already know, depending on how I'm assuming that he already know that she wants y'all to talk. I'm assuming that he might know that already. So he's probably expecting it, maybe. So,
Somebody said, don't do it, my nigga. Sound like my motherfucking conscience.
She don't want to talk to him.
That's this shit I be saying to myself, like, man, fuck
she don't want him to talk to her. That's what he wants.
You want to do it for her, basically. Not your own reasons, right?
Right. I'm gonna do it for her. I'm gonna do it for her, my daughter. That's what she want me to do. And I could say, look, I reached out, I asked her.
You did it, right. And that's it. It don't got to go no further than that. It ain't no, pleading and all of that. That's when I feel like you'll be playing yourself, but you could reach out. I don't see no harm in that.
This girl don't know the history.
Right. Yeah.
I need a phone.
He's seriously thinking about it, too, and tried to.
Man, I got so much pride, man.
It seems like
blocking me. Like, I be feeling my own pride blocking me, my nigga. Like, concrete wall.
Seem like Pops have him blocked too.
Yeah, I can see it getting in the way of stuff, but at the same time, again, like I see why you built like that. So
I don't do what I need to sign in. She needs to sign in. You don't got a choice.
This girl does not know him.
Let me see his phone.
She don't know him, and Pops have a long
and that's crazy
history.
because both of y'all seem like two prideful men. Like when I did see him on lives and stuff, you know what I mean? Like at the same time, I see he like the spotlight too. So, like I said, you'll know how to play it.
Wow.
You'll know how to play it.
She don't know Pops. Allegio know. He know.
Crazy. That's probably the universe saying, don't do that shit, nigga. Ain't nobody bringing me no phone. The shit usually be like, bop, bop. Ain't nobody bringing me no phone. Like, I think maybe I shouldn't do this shit, because don't do it online.
He been contacting Velvet.
No, I just read that too. I said I see why she probably said that. But that's what, I don't know. That's what they do. Like, I don't know. They do seem a little fraud.
Yeah, no, he think this nigga sick. Like, he think like I'm about to molest my daughter and make her my wife. Like, this nigga on some weirdo time. You feel what I'm saying? Like,
that's what he said.
On some real weirdo time type. You know what I'm saying? Shit, like, that's the wall right there. Like, he think I'm gonna molest my daughter, my nigga. Like, on some G shit, my nigga.
That's fucking. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, I thought it was more so like
he's pushing out the narrative that I'm going to make my daughter my wife.
That's what you said.
What the fuck?
'Cause you said that.
Yeah, that's crazy. No, that's crazy. I'm thinking he more so trying to, like, let bygones be bygones. That's kind of, something like that. You're not about to be.
So in the live, right? In the live, I said,
and you did molest her.
Like, I'm taking her
on live.
Everywhere with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, you're basically birthing my next wife. I'm saying it like she's gonna be everywhere with me, not like that's
man dances with baby girls.
They that up. It was a joke. It was like, you know what I mean? They literally took that literal. Like, I'm saying it like, yo, this is my daughter. She's gonna be with me everywhere. I'm gonna have her with me all the time. She gonna be my wife. You know what I mean? I'm not saying it like she's gonna be my wife.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like, yo, like,
no man says that about their daughter.
And really try to press the issue and keep repeating it. Like,
crazy.
No father says that about a daughter.
How the fuck you gonna make that something that it's not?
Right. And that's what I'm saying. Only certain people would have even took it that way. Nobody would have took it that way.
No.
What's going on? Like,
you have to know this one. You have to know
That's
Allegio.
why I don't want to talk to this dude, because what I heard him say, you know what I mean? When I heard him say that, I'm like, oh, B, why would you even play with me like that? Like,
he won't talk to you.
That narrative. Like, I understand he probably mad at me because, you know what I mean, like how I dealt with his daughter.
Yeah, beating her up.
I get it. But to push that narrative was like, that was, I wouldn't even say no shit like that out my mouth.
Mind controlling her. Molesting his granddaughter.
She know better, so I don't even know why she think that it's cool for him to have said that. I don't know this nigga Paige.
I don't know. That's where you lose me at right there too, because it's the stuff that I would say in my mind, like, oh man, she already know what it is.
She already know it. She already know it. I ain't on no time like no weirdo vibe like that.
Right,
that's not what she said.
She should shut that all the way down, bro.
She already opened it up. No need to shut it down. Everybody know the real deal. Except you. Well, you're pretending not to on Bigo. These Bigo folk don't know. He would have the nerve to try to call Pops.
Then he wrapped up in the whole troll thing by.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I do know. Yeah, he is. That's what I mean. That could have been shut down, like, right then and there from her.
He's wrapped up with with the concerned citizens. That's what he's wrapped up into. Concerned about his daughter and his granddaughter's life at the hands of a mentally ill man.
After he said that, it was like, I don't know what it is to say to him. Like, I really don't know what to say to him. She want me to talk to him and shit.
To address that, I really feel like you should get your family back, but I feel like you should be like cautious about like, you know, the location situation and
what location situation?
Like your location. You know what
nah,
I'm saying?
Man, my nigga, like they can have my location. Ain't nobody about to do nothing to me over here. Like you understand? Like I'm like you see, I'm that nigga online, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm that nigga in real life. Like you best believe I'm that nigga in real life. Nobody about to do nothing to me in real life, B.
Not with Pops. Not with Pops.
Because you know, like in the chat, like he was telling her not to go back. Like, you know, because she was even saying she's not leaving her dad, she's not leaving her friends anymore. She's not.
Yeah, no.
So it's like
she wants me to reach out to him, so I'm doing that for her.
She's doing that for you, not for her.
I'm doing it for her because she wants me to reach out to her.
No, she didn't. She told, talk to your dad. Talk to my dad. She don't want you to do it for her. She's a grown woman. She wants you to get that smoke. Stop messing with her mind. Try to mess with her dad's mind. That means he broke the restraining order as well.
Yeah, she just wants him and the family. And that's understandable. That's totally understandable. Because it's like, you know, she do love you. She loves you a lot. You know,
she wants
in her eyes and everything. I think she just confused about what she really wants. You know, it's like a tug of war thing. It's like she wants to do things right for her family, and then she wants to do things right for you. So when you like, marry her, she's stuck in the middle. She's stuck in the middle, like, oh, okay, well, should I do everything for my husband, or should I just please my family because they want me to be this way? So she's like in a confusing tug of war. That's what it is for her in her mind, because like she really loves you. Like, you know, you can tell.
She want to be with me, but he done helped her so much. You know what I'm saying? And she
right.
She
like that's. I guess
she still want a relationship with him, but she still want to be with me. You feel me? So it's like.
No, she don't want to be with you.
Is confused. It doesn't matter how good she.
But my thing is like this. I think she want me to do. I think she want me to do what she supposed to do, and I like. You gotta live your own life, B. Like your dad might be your dad, but you a grown woman. You gotta go live your life and do and walk your path.
Right. Once y'all got together,
I apologize to your dad.
Be a man and call her dad, okay?
I apologize for how I treated your daughter.
Been through that already.
And I'm gonna take care of her.
Been through that already.
She'll call you, like, you know what I'm saying? Here's my number. You can call me if you need anything to let him know the situation is good, but.
Right, and there it is. That's it.
Not gonna work.
I owe him. Like, I don't. If he don't like me, he don't like me. I can't make that man.
And you're well overgrown, so like it's not like you're like, you know, in your early 20s, and you're like, you know, it's like you're well overgrown, so it's like a barrier kind of. You know what I'm saying? Like she wants the old fashioned, like, you know, come to my dad and ask for my hand situation.
No, she don't.
Like, she wants that. She wants you guys to.
These girls do not know.
But it's like it's so much that happened. It's kind of like, you know, it's going to be like an awkwardness. Like, okay, he just said this about me, and this, that, and the other. So how do you approach it? And that's why I say that's where the age coming at, because you know, a grown woman at the end of the day, like, listen, Dad, this is who I'm with. Exactly. You know, if y'all can get together.
That's what I'm saying, right there, like right there.
Exactly. Yeah, you got to, because now he's first. That's even like when you, if the rules was changed. You know, you'll put your wife before your mom type thing. Like, that's how it goes, period. If he can't, he'll eventually learn how to do it, period. Right. If he loves her, he will eventually learn how to deal with it. Right. So there it is. Like, that would be no struggle. That shouldn't be no struggle. Yeah, she turned down the plane ticket, so it's like, what is it? Like, you know, it's like. That's because that's that he did the chart, you know, like that.
We booked the plane ticket. She supposed to be here, you know what I'm saying, on Tuesday. You feel what I'm saying? But she was like, I can't do it. And I understood why. She don't want to let her dad down. Her dad helped her out a lot. saying? So I'm like that.
But how? I don't know. Like, you know, I understand she wanted to make her dad
proud. She don't want to turn on her dad. She want both of us. She don't want to choose.
Right. Yeah.
And she shouldn't have to choose.
That's what I'm saying. I don't see why she would have to.
You know what I'm saying? I respect that man as a man. You feel what I'm saying? And he don't like me, don't like me. But I'm 40 years old. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like, me and him damn near the same age. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. I feel like it's on her to like grow up.
Let's see what I get blocked from this.
Bullshit. Right.
Yeah, like I'm 38. I'm 39 years old. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm damn near pushing 40 times. I'm damn near his age. You feel what I'm saying? So it's kind of hard. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just want him to know that I apologize for how I treated his daughter publicly.
Yep. Man, I wonder if I can get back in, though. I wonder if I can get back in. I never tried to get back in after being kicked out. They usually just mute me. But it's the truth. You know, he's supposed to be the truth, but he can't take the truth. And his people can't take the truth. The truth is he don't want his daughter to be beaten up. That's why she says, go to your dad. Go talk to my dad. Because she don't want to be beaten up. And he don't want to. He telling her, if he comes to you, he probably didn't even tell her nothing. She the one said, hey, talk to my dad then. But why Velvet is talking to him again, who knows? I mean, of course, he knows how to get to her, you know. So, since he knows how to get to her, she told him, well, you got to call my dad. And good on her. Glad she got a little strength to at least say that. Because, of course, everybody's going to say she had no business talking to him, but he knows how to get to her. So, you know, we can't look down on her for that because he is in her mind. And she does have a child by him. She's going to have to let that go. She's going to have to cut that off because Eligio he's horrible and she knows it. And she don't want to go, she want to go back and be a part of that childish game that childish thing of, you know, living in a group home and all that other stuff. But she do want to be a woman with a child. And see, that's what he was saying in the beginning. He was talking about her. I didn't know if I had enough space to try to record that live. I mean, all of it. But he's saying that he had been talking to her and she wants him to do this and do that. And then he was saying that, you know, he messed up. Oh, I messed up. You know, she was trying to protect me all this time. Now, I'll say that at the beginning of the video. Put my little front on the front of this video. And right now, I'll just say, well, let me see if I can go back in. I doubt it. Because it's different from being muted and being muted and then being kicked out. So this time I was kicked out. Oh, he got another name, Baba G the God. So he got other one. Oh, I got that. I followed that one too then. He hasn't been on that channel. I don't know. I'll look it up later. Let me cut this video here. Okay. Thank you, everyone, for listening. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace and blessings.